Practical book on page 20. Trace the sentences, then circle the correct picture. Okay, let's read the sentences. She eats the food with a spoon. Okay, we got to trace this. All right, the dotted line. She eats the food with a spoon. Okay, she eats the food with a spoon. Which picture shows that she eats the food with a spoon? Yes, this one. So circle up. All right. This one is not using a spoon. So this is wrong. This is the one. Okay. Right now, she eats the food with a spoon. Next one. The cook has a book. So you trace out. Okay. The cook has a book. Which picture shows that it has a book? The cook has a book. This one. All right. This is the one. The cook has a book. Next one. They are at the zoo. So you got to trace the whole sentences. All right. They are at the zoo. Which picture shows that they are at the zoo? Yeah, look at it. There's an animal over here. So this is the correct picture. They are at the zoo. Next one. Boone sits on the stool. So you got to trace Boone. The whole sentence sits on the stool. So which picture shows that Boone sits on the stool? There's a stool over here. This is the one. His name is Boone. He sits on the stool. Let's look at the next picture. Next page. Sorry. Yeah. Read the words in each row. Circle the ones that rhyme. Okay. Now we get to read cake, bake, mule, and lime. So which one has the same sound? Yes, look at this word. This one has the same sound. Cake and bake. Right? Next one. Smile, 5, hive, and rope. So look at the back of the sound. Which one has the same sound? Yes, it's 5 and hive. 5, hive. Next one. Cube, tree, gate, tube. Cube, tree, gate, and tube. Cube and tube has the same rhyme sound. Okay, let's look at the next one. Pay, duke, rose, nose. Look at the back of the sound. Rose and nose has the same sound. Let's look at the next one. Bone, book, cook, kite. Look at the sound over here. Which one has the same sound? The book and a cook. You have to see the ending letters there. That's how you detect. Next one. Moon, spoon, grapes, and wave. These have the same sound. Moon and spoon. It's the same sound. Okay, children? You have to see the ending letters in the sound. That's how you detect. Okay? I hope you understand. Now, that's all for now. Let's see you in the next lesson. Bye.